Hi, this is David from SmartWorld. We are in an MG ZS Exile 2022 and we're going to show you the CPAA Pro. This device is a wireless Android Auto wireless CarPlay device and also mirroring and casting device. So not only will give you wireless Android Auto and wireless CarPlay, but also will give you more options like mirroring, casting, so you can mirror or cast your phone and apps like YouTube and other free apps that you can stream using this device. And it's very simple to use. It's just plug and play to the USB port like this. And the first time is just waiting for the device to be recognized by your car radio, and just wait a few seconds for the device to come up. And once the device is uploaded and running, you can then select what you want to do. If you have an iPhone, you can get the device to quickly go into wireless iPhone mode. If you have an Android, you select a wireless Android from here as well. So you have wireless Android Auto, wireless CarPlay, mirroring, casting, Bluetooth, all that. So we're gonna show you how wireless Android Auto works. Just click here and the device is gonna automatically start pairing with your Android Auto. And it's gonna be a new version release coming soon that's gonna automatically connect with Android Auto. At this stage, the team is developing that, the engineering team. But as you can see, here we go. We have full control with the steering wheel, as you can see, and also from the app as well, from the touch screen. So it's good, responsive. So and will give you wireless Android Auto. I know that the MG ZS series don't have Android Auto inbuilt, but with this solution you will have wireless Android Auto available on your car radio just with a plug and play of this device, as you can see, and also wireless CarPlay for those who have iPhone and also Android. So and if you want to exit from here, what you do is you go into here and you exit exit here, and it's gonna exit to the main menu. And in the main menu, as mentioned before, you have mirroring for Android and iOS, and also casting. You can cast apps directly from your phone here, so you can start watching YouTube and other things, and the instructions on how to do that are here. And also the device has a USB stick port, so you can put your USB stick with movies or videos, and you will see movies coming up on the screen of your car radio as well. So a great solution with wireless Android Auto coming up, easily compatible with your MG ZS Exact. And if you want to find more solutions for MG, just go to www.smartworldcompany.com.